Hi, it's Matt over at ADI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a student's final report submission. In the Learning Hub, after a student has uploaded a document, you are not able to edit or remove that upload. The only exception would be for the final report submission due to the fact that this submission is not being peer-reviewed and will be graded. First, navigate to the investigation dashboard. Next, locate the student whose submission you need to remove. Then, select the corresponding completed button under the report column. Using the panel on the left, select the activity number 4 in the activity drop-down menu. This will bring up your student's final submission. On the final submission, locate the trash can icon. This is the icon used to delete the submission, but keep in mind, once removed, the student submission cannot be retrieved. Select the icon to delete the old submission. Once the old submission has been deleted, your student can resubmit their work. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about the Learning Hub, feel free to contact us at the email address info@adilearninghub.com.